Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and I've got a shoe. It's the Crocband Gallery Clog from Crocs. It's gonna keep you super comfy with a little bit of pop of flair to show who you really are. This easy, comfortable slide is made from a thermoplastic EVA material constructed for maximum lightweight cushioning. I mean, this thing weighs next to nothing. You can see we have the holes at the top of the vamp to give you tons of breathability. And of course, that cool green heel band to give you that secure fit. Or if you don't want that heel band, you just flip it up for easy on and off. On the inside, we've got that footbed that's going to conform to the foot in the heel, while the circulation nubs in there stimulate the blood flow to really give you a comfortable ride. And it's anatomically shaped to give you an energized, comfortable feel. And then of course, check it out along the midsole, guys. We've got this really beautiful colorway that you can express yourself in all day long, show off your true colors. Gotta love those bright pops for summertime. Of course, all that good stuff is riding on top of that non-marking, super comfy, yet grippy outsole that delivers tons of traction on all types of surfaces. So for a super comfy shoe that's really just a work of art on your feet, you gotta go pick this bad boy up. It's from Crocs.